Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am doing a fun spring coleslaw style salad. It has carrots and apples in it, some feta, some fresh lemon juice. It's really good, it's light and healthy, and this is great for picnics, family get-togethers, Easter, anytime you need a healthier, tasty side dish. It's a great recipe to use. All right, so I'm going to use 2 red apples and 1 green apple because the red apples are a little small. And we're gonna start by cutting them and then almost finely slicing them so it looks like they've been shredded. You wanna do this by hand because if you use a grater, it's going to just kind of juice up your apples. And you can cut these however you want. I'm going to kind of do mine in a variety. I'm going to do some smaller pieces and some bigger pieces. So I have the apples very finely sliced, and I'm going to add in about 3 cups of shredded carrots. Kind of just going, about a handful is about a cup, so you can kind of gauge that way if you want. I'm going to give this a light little toss. Okay, I'm gonna grab a smaller dish. We're gonna work on the dressing now. And we are going to start with about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I happen to have some lemons on hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze fresh lemon juice. If you've got the little lemon juice jar, that's fine too. Set those aside. All right, we are going to do about a 1/3 cup of mayo. Or excuse me, we're going to do mayo too, friends. What I'm putting in right now is our yogurt. 1/3 cup of honey vanilla Greek yogurt. You could use plain yogurt if you've got it. And then I'm going to do 1/3 cup of mayo. I'm using Hellmann's Light. And I am not even measuring with a measuring cup. I'm just kind of gauging with my eyes. We are going to add in about 2 tablespoons of honey. One, 2. And my recipe calls for rice wine vinegar. If you don't have that on hand, it's okay. You could use white vinegar. I happen to have some balsamic vinegar. You're going to want to do about 2 teaspoons, which isn't very much. It doesn't take very much. And we are going to mix this together. If you want to, you could add some salt, some pepper. All right, if you want to, you could add some raisins, some cranberries on into here. I'm gonna add some feta cheese. About a 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup or so. It's probably about what I got left in my container. all about the salads this week. All right, you could add in, what did we say? Cranberries, some raisins, some other dried fruit, like dried blueberries would be pretty good, some dried cherries. And we're gonna toss this a little bit to get that feta mixed in. I think I've even added some bacon crumbles to the top of this before, but I'm gonna try to keep it kind of light and healthy. It's got a definitely springy, crunchy vibe going to it. And then we're gonna take our dressing, kind of drizzle around the top, and then we're gonna mix it, toss it really well. And there we go. We've got our carrot apple coleslaw. So good. Leftovers are great for lunch. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoy this recipe, a little twist on traditional style coleslaw, and we will see y'all next time.